Hey guys, it's Madison. Welcome back to my channel.
What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
So today I'm going to be doing another Ipsy unboxing for the month of December. So here's the package. And let's just get into the video. This is going to be a short video, but next week I'll have a video. My next video will be longer than this, I promise. So here's the bag. That's what it looks like. It's gold sparkles, and then the back it's just black. And then this has like the little ruffle type things. And inside of it, there's a card. And it says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. And the thing is a Steve Laurent loose powder thing. It's like on the front. And then in the inside of it, it's just silver. It's like a olive. It's antique olive, so it's kind of like the color of an olive. Is some moisturizer for your face. These two brushes, and one is gold, and it's like the. And this is a pink and brown brush, and this is an eyeshadow brush for like the middle of your eye. And then I have a Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe Highlighter. What it looks like. And then it's like the color, but it's like shinier and it has like sparkles and stuff in it. So yeah, it's a liquid highlighter. The last thing is a lipstick, and it's CIATE London Glitter Flip. So this is the color, and it's a little lighter than that off camera, and it has sparkles. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment down below which one to see my next video, and subscribe. And bye guys.